Notwendigler Mercedes-Benz E350 camshaft sensor problems and repair. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will talk about the camshaft position sensor in the 2012 Mercedes-Benz E350 with the M276 engine. We will explain what this sensor does, the common signs of failure, and how to repair it. The camshaft position sensor is a small but very important part of the engine. Its job is to monitor the position of the camshaft and send information to the engine control unit. This helps the engine control fuel injection and ignition timing correctly. When the camshaft sensor starts to fail, several symptoms may appear. The first symptom is the check engine light. The vehicle may store fault codes such as P016, P0117, or other camshaft-related codes. The second symptom is hard starting. The engine may take longer to start, especially after the car has been sitting overnight. Another common symptom is rough idle. The engine may shake or run unevenly while the car is stopped. Some drivers also notice reduced engine power, poor acceleration, or hesitation during driving. In some cases, the engine may enter limp mode to protect itself from damage. Now let's talk about the causes. The sensor itself may fail because of heat and age. Oil contamination inside the connector can also affect the signal. Damaged wiring or poor electrical connections may cause similar problems. Before replacing the sensor, it is important to scan the vehicle for fault codes. Inspect the electrical connector and check for oil leaks around the sensor area. The repair process is usually simple. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, locate the camshaft sensor on the cylinder head. Remove the electrical connector and the mounting bolt. Then remove the old sensor and install the new one. Make sure the O-ring is properly seated. Reconnect the connector, clear the fault codes, and start the engine. If the symptoms disappear and the codes do not return, the repair is successful. However, if the fault remains, the problem may involve the camshaft adjuster, timing components, or the camshaft solenoid. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Mercedes-Benz repair guides.